Major biodiversity surveys will be carried out on Singapore's southern islands and in the Central Catchment Nature Reserve starting next year. Both areas are home to many endangered native species.
The surveys will shed more light on the flora and fauna and guide conservation strategies in the face of climate change.
The two-year survey of the southern islands by the National Parks Board will cover Sisters Islands Marine Park and other smaller islands.
It is the first large-scale study to focus on detailed surveys of flora and visual surveys of the shallow seafloor. The survey at the Central Catchment Nature Reserve will be the first in more than 25 years.
It will span 5 years and include nature parks surrounding the reserve, such as Windsor and Thompson Nature Park, as well as the Eco-Link at BKE. The study will allow NParks to better understand distribution patterns of plants and animals and do long-term monitoring.
Now, NParks is also working with partners to update the Singapore Red Data List, which provides information on the conservation status of native species. Deputy Prime Minister Heng Swee Keat announced the plans at a public lecture organised by the Jane Goodall Institute, Singapore, this evening.
Climate change is changing the habitats of our flora and fauna. We should recognize and seek to understand more deeply how these seemingly remote changes affect us too. We hope that we understand more deeply the impact of our actions on our future and to be able to make better decisions for our collective future.
If we know we have biodiverse species, if we have a great range of ecosystems, habitats, and we have many species with very strong interrelationships, it builds a very healthy core within our green spaces. The more diversity you have in terms of flora and fauna, the stronger your forest is to withstand extreme weather events brought about by climate change.